Hello, today I'm in Ssangyong Korando. In this video I'll show you steering wheel buttons functions. In the beginning, let's start with the left side of the steering wheel. Thanks to this button you can increase and decrease volume. Thanks to this button you can mute the radio or change radio source. Thanks to these buttons, D- and D+, you can change gear. And now let's take a look at the right side of the steering wheel. This button allows you to change radio station, and this button allows you to answer and end calls. Also, of course, if you press right here, you will use horn. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.